Hey everybody, welcome to Scott's PC. I finally received my last two parts, my GPU and my motherboard, and it is time to get it on. I'll leave links in the description so you can see what I bought, but let's go ahead and do this. And that's where the fun kind of stopped. To do all that, it took about 90 minutes. I was very careful and redundant. The next thing I wanted to do was make sure it posted before I installed it into the case, the computer tower. And for the life of me, I could not get the computer to post. You know, I spent 3 to 4 hours trying to troubleshoot. Maybe I had a bad motherboard, maybe a bad power supply, bad RAM, a bad CPU. I just didn't know. Became a little bit frustrated. I thought I had just wasted $1,000. It was very, very disheartening. So, you know, I was up till 1 o'clock in the morning, 4 hours after I, put the M.2 hard drive in. And I was done. I thought it was just over. I tested the RAM in my other rig. I was just testing and troubleshooting everything. I could not get the damn thing to post until I reached out to this guy, Chris, who happens to be my cousin and of a YouTuber himself, Nelson5Tech, helped me do some troubleshooting with the power supply because he was pretty darn sure we didn't do the power supply right. And wouldn't you know it, my power supply was wrong, at least the cords that I plugged in and how I plugged it into the motherboard. And so after about 5 hours of troubleshooting that continued to the next day, I was finally able to get it to post. And then the rest was kind of easy. It was time consuming, but easy. I didn't have time to film it all just because I'm just a one-man show and it would have taken me too long to film the entire process. So my first build was an awesome experience. I've learned a lot, and if I ever build another computer again, it should go a lot smoother now that I kind of know what I'm doing. But building your own computer, now I'm my own service tech because I know exactly where I put everything, all the leads, everything. And so I'm smarter for it, and here's just a small video montage of the finished product. But my new computer, the 2700X, compared with the GPU of a 1660 Super, I love it. It's super fast and it does everything I'm gonna do on the computer and then some. So here you go. For those of you who followed me from the beginning when I started 2 months ago planning this, I appreciate you. Here's that video. Thanks everyone.